to plumb, to find, to learn. This is the basic mechanics of teaching learning process. The learner will have to be triggered into plumbing, and that's what we do in the morning assembly of Prince Ashok Raja Gaikwad School. In one of the assembly, a thought was given and students were asked to explain, and here you find two students having investigated and coming forward for a clear explanation of the thought.
Good morning, respected principal sir and teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Rajvi Shah. I study in class 7B and I belong to Kaveri House.
Good morning, respected principal sir, learned teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Akshita Joshi. I study in class 7B and I belong to Narmada House.
Well, girls, what brought you here?
Sir, on the Thursday assembly, you told us a thought and asked us to explain it. So here we are to explain it.
What is the thought we gave you on Thursday?
So the thought is, more things are wrought by prayer than this world dreams of.
So what does it mean, Rajvi?
Some many things can be done by prayer, can be brought by prayer, than this world can even think of.
You really believe it? With prayer you can get many things done?
Yes, sir.
What? There must be a proof for it, no? You say that you believe that prayer can get many things done. Is there anything by which you can prove that it is so?
Sir, I would like to give you a mythological example that Prahlad, when he sat on Holika, did not burn.
Who sat on Holika?
Prahlad.
Right, okay.
And Holika burned due to, though she had a boon that she will never burn in fire. So this is because Prahlad's faith on God. He knew that yes, God will come and save me.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Another example is of Gajendra Moksha. He's an elephant. Once when he was drinking water from pond, he was caught by a crocodile. And he raised his trunk and asked for help and prayed a lot. At last, Lord Vishnu came and saved him. So, sir, with prayer, one can even save himself.
Fine. This is all legendary references you make that God saves you when you pray. But is there anything practical down to here, because you're all little girls studying in a school? Is there anything which is directly related to your practical life, by which you can establish that prayer, with prayer you can achieve things more?
Yes, sir. So during our examinations, sir, when we that time we pray to God, we take blessings from our elders and take blessings from God. This gives us confidence that yes, we will get surely very good marks in the examinations.
But how does the confidence help you? What's the role of the confidence?
Sir, confidence helps to utilize our capacity fully.
It takes capacity utilization fully for you, right?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Suppose if you don't pray, if you come fighting with your parents.
Sir, if we come fighting with our parents, abusing with someone, what happens is that we are nervous, we have a disturbed mind, and we cannot utilize our full capacity.
So obviously your performance will be poor.
Yes, sir.
Is that what you said?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Give them a hand. But you know, these lines were not written by me. Though I gave you as a thought for you to explain. Have you found out who wrote these lines?
Sir, these lines are from a poem, Maud J. Otter, sir, written by Alfred Lord Tennyson.
What do you know about Alfred Lord Tennyson?
Sir, Alfred Lord Tennyson was a poet in the Victorian age. He was born in 1809. Sir, he was also called the poet laureate.
Poet laureate of Queen Victoria. Great. Give Akshata a hand. Have you found out the poem, Martha Arthur?
Yes, sir.
Who was Arthur?
Sir, Arthur was a great king, legendary king, and he was ruling England.
He was a legendary king of England. Have you got the poem with you?
Yes, sir.
Where did he get this poem from? How did he get this poem from?
Sir, I searched it in the net.
Net. Have you found out the exact stanza, the section of the poem where the lines are there?
Yes, sir.
And slowly answered the order from the bars. The old order changed yet, yielding the place to new. And God possessed himself in many ways. Lest one good custom should corrupt the world, comfort thyself. What comfort is in me? I have lived my life, and that which I have done, may he within himself make pure. But thou, if thou shouldest never see my face again, pray for my soul. More things are wrought by prayer than this world dreams of.
Read that line again.
More things are wrought by players than this world dreams of.
And this world dreams of. This was a line from the poem of Mark the Author. He was a legendary king of UK. And can you name any legendary king of comparable to Mark the Author? Mark the Author in India.
Yes, sir. Vikramaditya.
Yes, King Vikramaditya, whom we call as legendary king of India. Right. Very good. These girls did extremely well. Can you explain to me what is this? What King Arthur means when he says more things are wrought by prayer than this world dreams of?
Sir, when he says this, then he explains that if you pray for me, it will be better for my soul. More things are wrought by prayer than this world dreams of.
He says that, does he say that prayer is bargain? When you bargain, when you go to the shop, you pay 10 rupees, you get something. And if you pay 20 rupees, you get more. Does he mean that prayer is bargain? Does he mean that prayer is like black magic to get things? What does that King Arthur mean?
Sir, King Arthur means that prayer is not a black magic, nor no to demand.
Very good. Hey, right?
Yes, sir.
What is this book? What for you brought this book to the library?
Sir, I went to the library and got a reference book on King Arthur. It shares some of the information.
Which means you went to the library to find some reference on King Arthur.
Yes, sir.
That's really great, Rajni. I wish all of you should do that library I am making. What was it? Right. Okay. You are a very good hand. And give both of them triple CP credit. Triple CP credit. Thank you. And we have the pleasure of the parents of Akshata as well as Rajvi with us. Mr. Joshi, can we have you? Joshi.
Good morning all.
You heard your daughter speak, and this is the exercise which we did. The children selected on their own. They came to me.
Yeah.
I said, as a teaching pedagogical technology, are you happy about it?
Yes, we feel that as a parent, I feel that this really brings out the potential of the student of my child, and it will create an atmosphere. There are 1,000 students who are watching them. They will also get inspired, and there will be internal
So
competition, and this
you
will
create original thinking in them, right?
exactly. Yes.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
Madam, would you like to, she is Rajvi's mother. Would you like to share with us something? Get closer to the mic. Yes.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Principal Sir. I'm very happy to see my daughter to express her ideas and trying to contact you, sir. And you are really giving them platform to think something, giving them opportunity. So really very happy.
The education, madam, is a person can be qualified or certified. Passing an examination, getting a degree, getting all the letters of English alphabet after the name is no education at all. That is only qualification and certification. That's why we have uneducated postgraduates and doctorates also. The mark of an educated person is he is able to think on the spot anything on here and explain it using. That's what your doctor did. You can reasonably feel happy about it. Okay? Give them a hand.